see what SideQuest has got to offer. Huh? I guess I didn't really pay for any of these, so I can't complain. Oh, not this art game again. Physics bowling. Alright, at least you know what to expect from that one. Physics bowling. Made by Unity. What isn't these days, right? Right, oh, jeez, this creepy dude in the corner looking at me, checking me out. You want to see some of this? Huh? You want to see some of this? Oh, they got a pool table, they got some arcades. What is that? Point blank too? Swerk? Set coins. Do I have to buy coins? Do I have to sell my soul to that dude? Shit. Daytona. Oh, I remember this. This brings back the... I think I'm meant to play bowling. No. Stay away from that dude. You better not fucking creep behind me. Alright, let's get some balls. There we go. The bright red one. Oh, just punched my wall again. Alright. Let's take this lane. Okay, I didn't pay for shit. I'm just gonna do it. Oh shit, I almost lost my Jesus. Almost lost my controller. Right, blue ball lucky. Let's get this. One last one. Ah, it just comes back, of course. That's how bowling works. Alright. Oh shit, I just hit my computer. God damn it. Alright, I knocked some out. Whoa. Alright. Gotta stop doing damage to the walls. Alright. Alright, creepy dude. What's your story? Oh, air hockey. Does this work? Oh shit, I can't reach. The play space is too small. God damn it. No. Alright. Burger Man. I missed. Chopper chops. Where's my chopper chops? I like how they do that. Ooh, leftover biscuits. No Corona. No one's looking, right? Mmm. Oh. Ooh, candy. Wait, candy? Yeah, not much else in here. Let's get out of here. Oh, did I see nuggets? Nuggets, $20. What kind of nuggets are these? Jesus Christ, they sure know how to bloody squeeze every dime out of you. The ball guy, $12. Potato wedge. Sausage. What is this, IKEA? Hot chips. Jeez, $12. What's this over here? No, I give up. Alright, next. Come on, unknown sources. Ooh, the cash printer. This is what I've been doing. What are we doing going to work every single day, huh? We could just print some cash. What was this application when I was bloody starting out? 5 years of uni. Oh, look at this. I'm in heaven. Gets in the play button. Oh, it just skips the songs. Whoa, rich motherfuckers. Yeah, bitch. Oh, this is heaven. Who needs reality? Make it rain, motherfuckers! I'm in Cash Mountain. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Alright, I think I've had enough. Not that I would get sick of money, but there's just nothing to spend it on there. Alright, what's next? Ooh, Cactus Cowboy Land. Alright, take a break.